Well, just wanted to give an audio test on the X4. I've now got it connected to my cardo, so it would just be interesting to see what the audio's like. So I'm going to have a quick little jip round block, just to see what the sound's like. So that's with the visor down. Testy, testy, 1, 2, 3. You can definitely see that the X4 is definitely bigger than the X3. Hope to God it stays on and doesn't come flying off. Worst case scenario. Bit of a slip there. So I'm going to go up the A34 and see what it's like. Let me get a bit of speed up into a bit of wind and see what it's like. So it's Friday, just finished work. Just had to go and take the bike in for new brake pads. They're done, front and back fitted. He has told me to wear them in, so nothing silly. And yeah, so I've just brought the X4. My lovely wife got it me for my birthday. Thank you very much. You're all good to me. And yeah, reason why, well, the X3 was good, loved it. It was just having to plug an external mic in and having to run a cable all the way up. I just hate having cables attached to me. So as soon as I've realised that you could attach your headset to it, even though now I've just found out on the update from the X3 you can do it with that now. But anyway, we've got the 4, so yeah. So I thought to give it a test just to see what the audio's like, what it picks up wirelessly. It did start up when I asked it to through the headset. But at the end of the video, I will ask it to stop and see what happens. Looking at it now, I've actually got the back of it pointing towards me. Stupid, really. I could have done with the screen pointing, but it has got a light in the back. It's flashing red, so that's telling me it's recording. And hopefully, when I've got a few people in the group on Ricardo, it should pick the audio with everybody else talking as well, so not just myself. Then my last video I put on, you can hear me talking, but you can't hear anything of anybody else. So hopefully, fingers crossed this way. You'll be able to hear everyone's talking there. The only thing I'm guessing you can't hear now is the actual bike itself, as I know Cardo does an absolute fantastic with cancelling out everything other than my voice. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see what this comes out like. Where shall I go? I know where I could go. Have a cheeky little look around KTM, as you do. Go and tease myself again.